very good system so that the students or the learners can have access to the information, digital library. They can communicate with their tutors, their supervisors, and even the management of the university at any time of the day, anywhere.
With good input from the instructional designer, I believe it will result in interesting, engaging, rewarding, and above all, fulfilling learning exercise.
The beauty about online learning is that it allows flexibility. It gives flexibility to the learner to go as deep as they want. And also the other beauty is it's almost immediate.
I would say immediately yes. For example, for me, I learned instructional design in 1985. And until today, I'm still able to apply the same concepts. Though the technology has changed, but those principles, those theories, those models that we learn are still there, if they are applicable. Apart from instructional design, concepts, theories, principles and models, they also learn about how to negotiate the learning with the learner, and that's where we model to them. In our online environment, we are modeling a lot to our students. At OUM, one of the most important facility is our digital library. So because that is the one that will enable them to become independent lifelong learners. And then apart from that, the second thing is our own learning management system. That is the second important resource, equally important as the digital library.
We have enhanced the number of our student learning centers everywhere, nationwide. And we have also been able to internationalize our programs in such a way that now we have active centers in the Maldives, Yemen, Bahrain, and Accra in Ghana.
Two of our students are already, one is an IT specialist. But because of MIDT, he is now head of teaching and learning in his university in India. And there's another student, Michael Wati from South Africa. He is an engineer by profession, but he's been selected by the president of the country to help in the teaching and learning. So I believe that what our students are sharing with us is a testimony that they are entering into different flexible jobs, and MIDT is helping them towards that end. And did you say that you were getting a new job because of the MIDT?
Yes, you're right.
What was it?
Yes, I was designated a member of the National Steering Committee for the Development of ICTs in Cameroon.
Oh, great.
And more specifically, I'll be looking at the educational component of it.
One day I saw this offer from OUM that came out in newspaper, which is actually the Master in Instructional Design and Technology, which is very related to what I do in the Navy. The thing that we have introduced in the Navy is the e-learning system that we are still in the developing phase. I mean, I'm also involved in the projects. We are beginning to transfer mostly naval subject, which is theory-based, into e-learning, and we are building computer labs, e-learning labs in our training centers. We have 4 major training formations in Malaysia.
I am used to a setup where my instructors and tutors are all from Malaysia. So this is my only opportunity where I get to interact with someone from America, from Indonesia, with a totally different background and different outlook and different approach of teaching, which I feel very fascinated about.
Instructional design is the base for effective and efficient learning. It is the most important base. So the more people are aware of this instructional design, the better it is.